Hey, this is Nate from WEB801.com and WEB801 on YouTube. This is a mini course on using your new WordPress website. First off, welcome to the new site. The ultimate goal is for your site to become part of your sales process, to treat it like a valued employee. But many people have the question, where do I even start? We've broken it down into a 4-part series, including a bonus. Part 1, we're going to talk about how to log into the new site and set up the dashboard to make it most user-friendly for you. In Part 2, we'll talk about how to set up new users on your WordPress website. Part 3, we'll cover how to edit the homepage of your site using ACF. ACF stands for Advanced Custom Fields. This is a process we use at WEB801 to make editing and adding custom pages easier for you, the end user. In Part 4, we'll discuss how to edit subpages in WordPress using ACF plugin. And finally, our bonus. In the bonus, we'll talk about how to upload PDF documents to your website. Let's get started.